Hello my friends! Welcome in this new video of the Albanian language. This is a special video because I'm announcing a new book that will be published in few days on Amazon. And it's a different book because it's an activity book. It's a word search puzzle with around 30 themes on the Albanian language, and for each of these themes you will have around 10 words where you have to find them in this word search puzzle. So it's really nice to do it alone, to do it with your children or all the family, and challenge each other who is going to find the words faster. So it's really very nice. Now in this video I am going to show you one page from this book, and when the book will be published on Amazon, then I'm going to make another video to announce that to you, that you can buy it on Amazon. Alright, so let's start. And as you see here, this is theme 16 from the book, and it's about daily activities. And you are going also to learn words in Albanian language, like zgjohem, wake up, ha, eat, pi, drink, fle, sleep, punoj, work, lexoj, read, shkruaj, write, shikoj, watch, ec, walk, laj, wash. See, this is the word search, so you need to find these words very fast, and it's really very fun. And in the meantime, you also learn these words in Albanian language. In the book, you are going to have around 300 words. So, how fun that is to learn Albanian language. Let me know in your comments. Mirupafshim.